Calculate the sum of the digits. If a number n is entered as 1, 2, 3, 4, then the output of this code should be 10. Here, I write a loop till the number is greater than 0. Calculate the remainder. Add that remainder into result and do number divide the number by 10. Then print the print the result. Let us write the code. First, print enter number. After entering, store it in an int of input while n is greater than 0. Calculate the remainder. R is equals to n modulo 10. Then declare the result value to 0. Then result plus equal to remainder value. Then n is equals to n by 10. Print the result. So let us enter the number and the sum of digits is 10. Calculate the character frequency. A string will be given. Suppose a string banana is given, then output of this code should be banana appeared one time. A appeared, B appeared one time, A appeared 3 times, N appeared 2 times. So let us write the code and dry run our code. First, let us take the input from the user, enter string. I am taking a resulting string, empty resulting string. Now I am traversing on for character in uh, first of all s is equals to input for character in s. If character not in, let us take instead of result reference short form ref, not in ref, then print ch appered appeared character appeared s dot count of ch comma count comma times. After this, ref plus equals to ch. Now let us run this code. Enter the string banana. Be appeared. P E A R E D. Be appeared. No need of giving space here. Let us write apple apple. A appeared one time, P appeared two times, L appeared one time, E appeared one time.